Well, right now I'm going to be creating a video using how an ionic compound forms. Well, what happens is the ionic bond and the transfer of electrons basically allows it to come together, forming a compound. So say if I put Na, which is sodium, and let's go with O, which is oxygen. What happens is oxygen has a charge of -2 and sodium has a charge of +1. I'm going to be using the Criss-Cross method here. Hold on. And what happens is Na, which is sodium, has a cation and oxygen has an anion, and what sodium did was give one of its valence electrons to oxygen to complete its valence electrons. So if I make this dot diagram here, basically saying 1, 2, let me see how many it has. It has 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, yeah, that's 6. And here's sodium, which has 1. I've got to have 2 sodiums to fill that up. And what they do is they give their valence electrons to oxygen. Hold on. And there they go. And they give their valence electrons to oxygen, basically completing oxygen's valence electron cycle. And this is the final thing, which is +1 + 1 - 2. And the same thing works with the Criss-Cross diagram as well. And then what happens is the chemical formula is, or the compound formula is, hold on one second, alright, is Na2O. Hold on. Oh. Formula. I kind of like to write it in red, actually. Kind of OCD like that. Formula. And what you can see is using the Criss-Cross method, which I did, is either you can see that you use two sodium atom or electrons to give to oxygen, so you had to use 2 of them, so that's why it has Na2 like that. And also, if you want to do the Criss-Cross method, it's Na and then O, which basically you just switch the number in front of the O in front of the Na, like I did here. And since that's just 1 right here, then you have nothing here. It's just empty. And then the final thing is sodium oxygenide, I guess? I don't know. That might be right. Not really sure. But that's basically how you do it, so yeah.